What were you saying, Elle? Can you say mama? Really? That's super cute. Wow, you're a cutie. You can't have the camera though. I'm just too sorry. See, if I walk away, she'll usually get mad and say it again. Okay, bye. See you later. Are you gonna say it? Say mama. She's like, get me out of here. Alright, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Look at that little hand going. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.